Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jack up a Ford Escape using an easy method. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. First, park your vehicle on a flat, level, and firm surface. Make sure the parking brake is fully engaged to prevent any accidental rolling. Next, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. Finally, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Now, let's find the correct jack points on your Ford Escape. It's always best to consult your owner's manual for the exact locations specific to your model. Generally, you'll find the front jack points just behind the front wheels, on the vehicle's frame rail. For the rear, look for the jack points just in front of the rear wheels, also on the frame rail. Always ensure your jack pad makes full, secure contact with the designated point. With your jack points identified, it's time to lift the vehicle. Position your jack squarely and firmly under the chosen jack point. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, watching carefully to ensure it lifts evenly. Continue lifting until the tire you're working on is about 1 to 2 inches off the ground. Once lifted, place sturdy jack stands securely under the vehicle's frame, close to the jack point. Finally, gently lower the vehicle onto the jack stands, confirming it is stable. Once your work is complete, it's time to safely lower your Ford Escape. First, double-check that all tools are clear from underneath the vehicle. Slightly raise the vehicle with your jack, just enough to easily remove the jack stands. Once the stands are out, slowly and carefully lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Finally, remove the jack and the wheel chocks. Always remember to store your tools properly for future use. You've successfully jacked up your Ford Escape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.